Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to create Samsung account on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on sign into your Galaxy. Now just select sign in with Google. From here, just select your Google account. Now just scroll down and tap on continue. Now from here, just select continue. Now just select I have read and agreed to all the above. Then tap on agree. Now from here just check if your first name and last name are correct and then tap on date of birth, and from here just select your date of birth. After that just select done. Then tap on done. Now from here just enter your phone number. Then tap on send. Now you will receive a verification code on the phone number you have just entered. Now once you receive the code, just enter the code right here. Now once you enter the verification code, just tap on verify. Now just tap on OK. Now just select set up passkey later. Now as you can see, this is how you can create Samsung account on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.